Aweber Review 2024. In this video, we're going to be talking about a platform that will totally automate your whole online experience. Okay, if you do digital marketing, if you do email marketing, and do marketing of any sorts, Aweber is the platform for you, because Aweber will basically provide you with different types of features that will get you well integrated with your email marketing. It'll also get you well integrated with the separate works that come along with that type of email marketing. So it's really fun and really useful stuff to have in your repertoire, and I'm going to be going through all of those features and give you a good and proper review on how this works and if it is worth for you in the end. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, as we can see here, we have aweber.com. All right. Now, once we come over to aweber.com, here you can see it says connect, automate, and sell your vision to the world. Experience the email and automation solution that takes your business to the next level. So here, let's say we're going to add our name. Okay. And once we've added our name, we're going to go ahead and add an email address. Now, for myself, I'm going to be using a temp mail. You don't necessarily have to go through with this step because a temp mail disappears after 24 hours. So if you're creating an account for the long run, I would not suggest you to do this for yourself. All right. So once we have done this, what we're going to do from here is we're going to click on get started for free. But before that, down here, you can see all of their easy to use marketing solutions for quicker success and at a fraction of the cost of other solutions. You can see it gives us the features for email marketing, landing page builder, email automation, e-commerce pages, and web push notifications. Now, you get effortlessly attract, more customers. You have ready-made eye-catching landing pages, sign-up forms you can easily add to your website, AI writing and subject line assistant to save you hours of your time. Now, you also have more ways to increase your revenue where you can set up your online store in minutes, get paid through subscriptions and payment plans, and collect payment in 100+ currencies. You can also keep your customers engaged and retained, where you can increase engagement with personalized emails. You can also build email marketing campaigns quickly and easily, where you can create emails that nurture trust and loyalty. You can also let automations do all of the heavy lifting for you, where you can respond to leads at the right time with email automations, get 90% built automations just customized and activated, and you can increase sales with upsell, cross-sell, and abandoned cart emails. You can also get more eyes on your content, where you can automate getting more Etsy sales with less work, automate increasing YouTube views minutes after publishing, and automate getting more readers to your latest blog post. Now, a lot of other customers love it, where they have given all of their reviews, which are pretty incredible, and you can streamline your workflow by integrating yourself with users and providers like PayPal, Shopify, WordPress, Facebook, and even Zapier. Okay. So pretty incredible and pretty nice stuff. And if you want to, start using it right now for free, you can. So we've added all our details and we're going to click on get started for free. Now, once you get started for free, what it's going to be doing is it's going to create your account. And while it's creating your account, it's going to bring you here. It says your account has been created. We just sent you an email to this link. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to our email, and here it says, John, your Aweber account is now ready. So if our Aweber account is ready, we're going to go to get started. And once we do that, here it says, go ahead and set up your password. So what we're going to do is we're going to add our email, and now we're going to set up our password for ourselves. Now, if the password is good, we're going to go ahead and click on save password. And once you click on save password, what Aweber is going to do from there is it's going to bring you to its plans. Now, Aweber has, a few plans inside of it. So you have the plus plan, which is $20 a month. So creators take your business to the very next level. Unlimited automations and landing pages, advanced subscribers and messaged insights, and priority 24/7 support from the team of experts that are the perfect tools to help you grow. Start today and see the results for yourself. Okay. So you get tons and tons of features, and it's pretty much maxed out. Okay, it maxes out the Aweber experience, so definitely go ahead and try it for yourself if you want to. The monthly plan is $30 a month, but if you're gonna go yearly, it's $20 per month, where you're gonna have to pay $240 per year. Okay, and obviously, in annually, you can get up to 4 free months for yourself, so that's pretty cool. Now, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be going with a free plan for myself personally, so I'm gonna click on continue with free. Now, once you continue with free, what it's going to do is it's going to welcome you into its station where it says, let's get you up and running. So you're going to give the company name. If you have any website or social profile, you're going to add that. And you're going to let them know whatever industry you're working in. So let's say I'm just going to go with clothing, okay? Or you can go with apparel or textile, etc. So what we're going to do is we're going to go with the fashion. Okay, have you used Aweber before? I'm gonna go with no, I am new to Aweber. So we're gonna do that and click on continue. Here it's gonna ask you, your address, so just go ahead and add that for yourself, okay? And once you have done that, make sure that the address is valid, okay? So once you have added the correct address, simply click on continue. And once you click on continue for yourself, you're pretty much stocked to go from there. So once this is done, let's continue into the forward location. Now, once you have signed yourself up, basically Aweber is going to give you tons and tons of these different features. Okay, so what are those features? First of all, you get stunning emails in a snap. Okay, so basically you can design in Canva without you leaving your account because Aweber is directly connected with the Canva servers. Okay, and basically you can design anything that you want in Canva from your Aweber. You get theme settings where you can update every visual element from a single panel. You also get a smart designer where you get branded email templates which you can create in the matter of seconds. Now, it's quickest and easiest when it comes to email builders, okay? Now, email builders out there are on a lot of platforms, but what makes Aweber so special is that it's a drag and drop. So you get a subject line assistant where you can write subject lines that allow you to send with confidence and get opens. You also have an AI writing assistant where you can say goodbye to writer's block with the built-in AI tool. You get a drag and drop builder which designs beautiful emails with the drag and drop builder that you get. Now you can also effortlessly write anytime, anywhere. So you get the mobile editor where you can create, update, and check email statuses on the go. You get link previews where you can automatically expand links into beautiful previews, and keyboard shortcuts where you can style and add personality to emails in a fewer clicks. Now it's time for an email glow up, okay? Easily design consistent and professional looking emails with a robust, reliable, intuitive builder. You can go from dreary and very basic to dreamy. Okay, now that looks cool. That looks really, generic and straightforward. Now, moving on, you can see that you're ready to send beautiful emails right away. You can turn leads into customers with automation. That's the best part about this, is that you can use automation as a feature, specifically with platforms like Zapier and a whole lot more. You get all of these different RSS triggered emails, okay? Instantly notify customers about new content. You get email automation where you can set up campaigns with a drag and drop builder as well, with behavioral automation, which sends emails based on your subscribers' interactions. Now you can stay out of the spam folder as well, where Aweber's in-house deliverability experts ensures reliable mail delivery and handles all aspects of your email needs. Okay, you can foster stronger, more meaningful connections with dynamic content, okay, which increases engagement with personalized content. You also get tagging to make sure messages are relevant to your subscribers. You get segmentation, which send targeted emails based on subscriber activity, and there's a lot of great reviews behind it as well. Now if I were to give my personal opinions on these reviews, let's go ahead with it. Now Aweber offers some interesting features for content creators out there, okay? Content creators, e-commerce owners, and other digital businesses, you name it. Now these including landing pages, social media integrations, an AI content generator, and the ability to sell directly through the platform. Now it also connects with 750 plus third applications. Okay, now the biggest drawback to all of this, however, that I've seen is the premium it charges. Although there is a free plan that you can work with, this is limited to 500 subscribers, a single email list, and no custom segments. The lowest tier light plan starts at $19.99 per month and only allows for one custom segment with 3 landing pages, as we saw here in the pricing, and doesn't include sales tracking or advanced landing paging features. Okay, now in my view, email marketing platforms like Kit or MailerLite that are targeted at similar audiences offer much better value for their money. Okay, you can also go ahead and opt for these different features that Aweber, uniquely provides you with its, consistent platform. Now, if we were to talk about the pros and cons for Aweber, the pros I'd say are, first of all, the list management tools, which are amazing. Okay, keeping lists organized is simple with Aweber as you create automation rules to manage the subscribers. But be aware, though, that you have a separate dashboard for each list, and this can be confusing. Moving on, you can also get sales tracking. All right. Now, sales tracking basically not always an option even with advanced marketing automation. Yet Aweber allows this via their email web analytics feature. You just need to insert some JavaScript code into your website that isn't too difficult, and if you want, I can create a tutorial for you on that. Now, with the PayPal integration, you can see all your sales in your Aweber account and perform marketing actions on these customers. Then, moving on, one of the best things about this is the landing page templates. Now, Aweber offers tons and tons of really nice designed landing pages templates. Okay, now there are also tons of categories, so you're bound to find something you like, whatever the industry you're working with. Okay, now if I were to move over towards the cons, I don't see a lot of cons personally, but the ones that I feel like are something that could be a pet peeve for a lot of other people is the high price and unfair subscriber count. Okay, their pricing is a bit steep, coming in close to some of the more advanced newsletter tools, despite the fact that they lack the pro features to justify the price. And the worst part is that even unsubscribed email addresses count towards your monthly quota. And then obviously the second con I'd say is the lack of advanced features, where they lack a lot of advanced features such as built-in sophisticated marketing automation and spam and design testing. All right. So that's a general review of Aweber. I would definitely suggest users and email marketers out there to use this platform, okay? Because it's one of the greatest platforms out there when it comes to email marketing, although it does have its drawbacks, but they don't outweigh the pros that it provides you. So definitely do use it and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.